Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today we are going to be swatching the Lethal Cosmetics palette. Excuse me. So let me just wipe what I've got off on my hand. So the packaging of the palette is just the same as the outer packaging, and then you get 6 beautiful shades. Now you could customise it to the colours that you wanted, or you could like change them, but I really like the way that Lethal Cosmetics have set this out. I really do like all the shimmers in here and the mattes as well. So yeah, we're just going to swatch it. So do they have names? Yeah, right, okay, so we're going to go in with this white shimmer first. Well, it looks like a white to silver shimmer. That one's called Idol. Look at that. Now this is the first time trying Lethal Cosmetics. It's actually a white to blue shimmer. I'm just going to do another swatch of it. Can you see it's a white to blue shimmer, which makes perfect sense now as the palette's got like blues and greens in it. The next shade is Runic. I hope there's no difficult German names in this palette, just purely because I'm okay at understanding German. I've grown up around it all my life, but when it comes to speaking it, I don't have a clue, guys. So that one is Runic. That is real pretty. And then we've got another shimmer on that row, which is called Seagull. Not as in the bird seagull, just Seagull. They do feel a little bit powdery, but they blend out like a dream. I cannot wait to use this. Look at that, look how pretty it is. I'm going to turn the light down at the end, and I think I'm going to do some template swatches as I always do them. But so far so good, I'm very impressed. And then the last row we've got Loy. I think I'll have to put the spelling down as I'm saying these, because I'm probably not pronouncing it right. And then we've got Talisman, which is this gorgeous blue. Naomi would love that from Beauty Dreams by Naomi, I bet. So that's that one. And then we've got a beautiful matte green. I'm just trying to wipe that last shade off, which is called Coven. Ooh, that's pretty. Right, so that's all 6 shades. Absolutely beautiful palette. I'm going to turn the light down now. You can see that a little bit better, can't you? Right, so I'm going to stop the video for a minute, and then I'm going to do template swatches, and I'll be back. Right guys, so here is a close-up of the palette. Just absolutely beautiful shades. I love that it says like a quote on the mirror as well. Home is not a place, it's a state of mind. And that's obviously why it's called the Roots palette. It's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to try them on the lids. It's probably going to be from next Thursday now, unless I can do it during the week and then just take it off before work. So I'm off Thursday and Friday next week. I'll be going back to work tonight, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And then we've got the template swatches, which are here. I think I need to get a new template though, because it's losing its stickiness. So they're the swatches. They're absolutely stunning, and that's the palette. So with the palettes at the moment, I've not got that many Colourpop palettes to try. I've just put a poll on, and that's every single Colourpop I've got left to try. So I'm just wondering which one you want to see next. There was the Grandeur palette, the High Tides, then there was the bigger palettes, Flutterby, Menage a Moi, and Good as Gold, and they're the only 5 palettes I've got left to try, I think. There's also Just My Luck. I have used that once, but I would like to use that more, but I haven't put that in the poll because I've used it before. But if you could continue to vote, I would so appreciate it. I'm loving the fact that you're choosing my palettes for me. But yeah, we're going to be using this one next, and then I'm going to use whichever one that you voted for in the Colourpop, and then after that Colourpop poll, after we've chosen that one, I think I'm going to go through what other new palettes are in my collection and get you to vote on that as well, if you don't mind. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.